In today's video, we'll be making this hair growth tea. If it's what you're interested in, stay tuned and watch to the end. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in today's video, we'll be making this hair growth tea, and the first ingredient we're using is carrot, and we're going to be using aloe vera as well. I'll be dropping the benefit of carrot and aloe vera in the channel. So we need a clean jar just like this. Your jar needs to be clean, and first thing I'm gonna do is to remove the aloe vera. Okay, I'll be explaining the benefit of aloe vera. You have to remove all the stems of the aloe vera. Soak your aloe vera. When you soak your aloe vera, make sure you remove the dirt from the aloe vera and soak it so you can remove all those greenish things. So I'm cutting my aloe vera in slices for us to pop it into the jar. Is the benefit of aloe vera. Aloe vera strengthens and repair your hair strand. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, and vitamin E. All these three vitamins are contributed to cell turnover, promote healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both of these complements can keep your hair from falling off. So we're gonna pour this inside a jar and pour as many aloe vera as you have. This is the ones I have from my small aloe vera plant that I'm still trying to groom. So the next ingredient we have is carrot. I have peeled my carrot. I'm going to grate it into a tiny little pieces so that I can use the grated carrot and it can formulate our juice. So here are the benefits of carrot as well. It's good to eat carrot and it's good to put carrot on your hair. Okay, benefits of carrot: one of the main food source of vitamin A. Like, carrot is packed with vitamin A. It also has other vitamins like B6, E, vitamin K. It makes an excellent hair growth booster. Okay, when you add carrot in your hair regimen, your hair is going to grow very well. Okay, so I'm going to add the carrot inside the aloe vera and pour it in a jar just like what you are seeing on the screen. Then I'll add my hot water and I'll allow this to infuse for 3 hours, or you can infuse it for more if you want, but I allowed mine to infuse for 3 hours because I needed to use it immediately. But if you have more time, you can infuse this for 6 hours. It's okay. Okay, guys, so, and again, 3 hours is good because it's a fresh ingredient, so it will not take a longer time for your juice to come out. So this is what we have, and we're going to be using this as a treatment stroke a moisturizer. You can use this every day. It's going to help you to boost your hair growth. I'm going to strain it. This is after 3 hours. I'm going to strain. After straining, I will show you guys how I apply this on my hair. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for watching the video to this extent. I really do appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it. Leave your thoughts. Have you used carrot? Have you used aloe vera? Have you used the combination of the both of them together? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be reading your comments as well. So besties, I'm going to be using this as my leave-in condition. Okay, I'm going to use it as my leave-in spray and all. So I have this twist, okay, and I'm going to spray this all over my hair. I use this to hydrate my hair anytime my hair is dry. I apply this on my hair. I did this for 5 days. After 5 days, I dispatch of any left over, okay, because of the aloe vera. And after 5 days, I think your DIY needs to be changed, because I don't know what again you're spraying on your hair. Yeah, so even if you're using a wet or a dry ingredient, when you infuse a wet or dry ingredient, kindly dispatch of your hair tea after 5 days because it has already over fermented. Okay, so I'm just going to spraying this all over my hair, like from the root. Like I really went very well from the root and every part of my hair. I use this to bring back my hair back to a nice volume because my hair tends to be dry. Okay, when I do like this kind of twist out, my hair tends to be dry. Like you can see this is a little bit dry, but when I apply this on my hair, the volume, the juiciness of the ingredient in the hair tea brought the hair back to life. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so this tea is going to help you to boost your hair growth. It's going to help you to moisturize your hair. Aloe vera has amazing ingredients, so as carrot. Okay, so this is as good as you using cloves on your hair. So I'm just going to massage this, apply this all over my hair, and I'll be using some oils as well, which will also drop in the channel. Please do well to check that oil out. Okay, besties, so if you're watching this extent and you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it, leave your beautiful thoughts. And yeah, so I'm just shaking my hair, making sure that everything enter inside my hair. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.